All right, everybody, time for another one. It's cold outside while everybody else in the area is doing the chili, getting ready for cold weather. Tonight we're going to do something different. We're going to do big boy nachos. We're going to get everything together. I'm going to show you how it's done. Keep watching. All right, everybody, we got about 2 pounds of ground beef in the bottom of the pan here. We're going to fry it up and mix it up and make our taco meat. And we're going to add some taco meat we made earlier in the week for tacos. We're going to add it to this meat. Give us quite a bit of meat in here. So we'll get this browned up, and then we'll throw the mix in and show you how it's done. All right, we got all our hamburger meat cooked, our seasoning added to it. We added the other hamburger meat already. Got it going. Everything cooked in and warmed up. We got our refried beans going on the back burner there. They'll go with the nachos. Now what we're going to do, add my favorite ingredient. We all know what that is. We got some Rotel going in there. Put 2 cans of undrained Rotel. We'll mix that in there. Get that mixed in. This is going to be our hamburger queso sauce for the nachos. Get all that mixed in, let it simmer, and then we'll be right back with more ingredients. All right, we got that cooked in. Now we're going to add a block of Velveeta queso cheese. We cut it into cubes. Didn't really fall in there as cubes, but we'll break these up a little bit, get them in there. Get those stirred in, let them melt down. While that's melting down, we got 2 types. We got some sharp cheddar, and then we got some pepper jack soft cheese. We're going to mix all that in there. Mix it around. Get all that cheese on there. This fresh shredded Cracker Barrel white sharp cheddar. Turn our heat down to low. Let this melt down. While we're letting this melt down, we'll let it melt down, and we'll come back to it. All right, guys, we got everything done and cut up and ready. We're going to show you how to make these nachos. We got our plate there. We're going to take some brown tortilla chips. Try not to drop them all over the counter. Spread them out on the plate here. Get that done. All right, we got our chips. And then we'll come in with our refried beans. Put them right in the middle there. Just like that. Now we're going to come in with our queso we made. Put it over. Let me go ahead and do it over here. Maybe you can see it, but we'll show you where we put it back down on the counter. You want to load it down. Got that loaded down. And then we'll add some lettuce, some tomato, We got some pickled jalapenos. Put them on there. Get them on there. And then we're going to add some Mateo's medium salsa. Get that on there. And then some sour cream. Now, I ain't tell you, you got to make it the way I made it, but this is how I like it. And this is how it is. Like I said, this is Big Boy Nachos for the big back in me. Remember, guys, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Y'all have a good one.